La Chanta, a mining operation that was once frozen in time, has evolved to become the best example of how to reconcile mining use and biodiversity. This blank canvas began to be painted while the pit was active, which made some changes in the territory possible, giving certain species the chance to find in this place a more suitable ecological niche to fulfill their life cycle. Observe and learn. Tend to everything from the biggest element to the smallest detail to be able to provide a home for the most common to the most extraordinary. This was the basis of the profound teamwork performed by a multidisciplinary committee of experts made up of miners, geologists, biologists, and ecologists who have taken the opportunities that emerged while the pit was active and managed to make them last and flourish over time, while at the same time they have nurtured this place through innovative and careful restoration to turn it into a unique enclave that is vitally important for hundreds of species of plants and animals. The earth-moving works, carried out by mining engineers, have also evolved over the last 20 years. They no longer consist of simply putting everything in its place. Now restoration work is performed to create micro-reliefs and mini-basins to direct and contain the runoff and avoid erosion, entertaining the water to prevent it from washing sediment away. This place has been replanted with native species, which had disappeared due to man-made changes to the land over decades. The structural characteristics of the vegetation have been very carefully safeguarded. A plantation framework has been expressly avoided. Islands of vegetation have been fostered, with the seeds of very diverse species collected with exquisite care in the nearby surroundings, thus maintaining maximum fidelity to the region they came from. Efforts have been made to promote the permanent continuity of a large number of plants, mainly all those of special interest for the proliferation of the fauna, both vertebrate and invertebrate. In the very heart of La Chanta, the lake is the only body of water in a radius of 15 kilometers, and inevitably, it is the place where diverse species meet. We are immersed in the process of including the now restored lake in the catalogue of wetlands in the community of Madrid. And next to the lake stands the wall of the old crusher, now filled with numerous cubbyholes and artificial nests in a wide range of shapes and sizes for a great variety of colonial birds. Dozens of specific nest boxes for other species also abound in the territory. Bat houses provide these small mammals with refuge. Rock piles scattered throughout the property improve the birth rate of rabbits. And the foremost addition is the installation of a platform with a large nest to provide the optimal conditions for the golden eagles that roam the area to breed in La Chanta. Once the rehabilitation work has been completed, all the pits restored by Lafarge Holcim become places that are very attractive to wildlife and promote biodiversity. We have gone one step further, and the permanent follow-up of the results obtained is carried out by experts. Under a supervisory agreement with the property, Brinthal will ensure the maintenance of the site. Likewise, an opportunity has arisen to create an area for sustained research, monitoring and preservation of the natural processes that have begun. We want to create an experimental center where it is possible to follow the populations of the plants and animals that live here. A big commitment in a place to share experiences, to foster education, to show everything that has been learned through outreach and communication. A project ready to grow and create a place to acquire and transmit knowledge. It's easy to think that their dedication to the project has blinded them, but it is likely that time and La Chanta will prove to us that by offering so much knowledge and so much passion, they were right.